Hello everyone. In this video, we will see can we learn a new skill by leveraging our AI power user skills. Can I learn data analysis? Can I learn data science or AI or any other skill using AI power user skills? So the answer is absolutely yes. If you become AI power user, with the help of AI power user skills, you can acquire any skill. You can become content creator, you can learn video editing, you can learn data analysis, you can learn cloud computing and cybersecurity. Let me give you an example. If I want to learn data analysis, I can go to ChatGPT or any other LLM like Gemini or Perplexity, and I can write a prompt. And for writing these prompts, we need to know prompt engineering, and that is AI power user. Let's say I write a prompt. I am a beginner and I want to learn data analysis. List out the topics for me to learn and become a data analyst. Now you can see at the top, ChatGPT is generating the list of topics for me, which I need to learn to become a data analyst. Now I can select the first topic from that. Let's say I'll write now to the ChatGPT, select the first topic, take the first topic, that is introduction, and explain me this topic as a kid or as a beginner. So you can see how ChatGPT is explaining me about data analysis in so simple and easy words. You can also ask ChatGPT for resources to refer so that you can deep dive. Let me ask ChatGPT, list me out the resources to refer for this topic so that I can deep dive into this topic. And now you can see how ChatGPT is giving me the list of the resources so that I can refer to it and deep dive into data analysis. You can also refer to AI tools. For example, for data analysis, we have a Julius AI tool which can help you in performing data analysis. It can generate Python and R code for you. For example, if you're a content creator and you want to generate images, you can use Playground. For example, if you want to generate PPTs, you can use Leonardo. So you can use AI tools and LLMs and learn any skill, whether it's data analysis, data science, AI, content creation, anything. So this was just a small example of how you can leverage your AI power user skills to learn any skill. If you become AI power user, you can acquire any skill. Thank you.
Subscribe for more content.